Words are like seeds. When planted, they have the potential to grow and shape the landscape of our minds and lives. Each phrase we utter or think is a reflection of our inner state and can significantly impact our outlook and interactions. Today, we look into how harnessing the power of your words can be a transformative tool for personal growth. This journey is not about quick fixes, but understanding and applying the strength of your language to foster positive changes in your life and relationships. Let's explore together how your words can reshape your world. The words we choose to use carry more weight than we often realize. They are not merely tools for communication, but powerful instruments that affect our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Consider for a moment how a simple compliment can brighten your day or how harsh criticism can ruin it. This influence extends beyond temporary emotions and can shape our self-perception and actions over time. Psychologists and linguists have studied the profound impact that words have on our brains. When we hear positive words, our brain releases chemicals that enhance our sense of well-being and can lead to increased motivation and productivity. Conversely, negative words can stimulate areas of the brain associated with fear and stress, showing just how directly our language can influence our mental health. But why is this important? By understanding the weight of our words, we can begin to use them more intentionally. Transforming our lives with words starts with self-awareness. Recognizing the patterns in our speech that lead to negative outcomes can help us avoid them and choose words that support positive changes. It's about being mindful of our language and its effects not only on ourselves, but also on those around us. Let's look into how words interact with our brain's wiring. The human brain is a complex network that interprets and gives meaning to the sounds and symbols we know as language. Neuroscientists have found that specific neural pathways are activated when we engage with language. Words associated with positive emotions can stimulate brain regions like the frontal lobes, which are involved in problem solving and decision making. The way we speak and the words we choose can alter our perception of the world. Language shapes our reality by framing our experiences and interactions. For instance, using language that frames a challenge as an opportunity rather than a problem can change our mental approach and make us more likely to succeed. This connection between speech and perception is not just psychological but physiological. Studies have shown that positive speech patterns are associated with reduced levels of stress hormones like cortisol and increased levels of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers and mood elevators. This biological response can lead to better health outcomes and a more positive life outlook. Understanding this science empowers us to choose our words more wisely. Knowing that our words can literally change our brain and body means that we hold the key to transforming our lives from the inside out. It's a responsibility and an opportunity to nurture our well-being through conscious communication. Building on our understanding of how deeply words affect us, we can now consider how to actively use them as tools for self-transformation. Transforming one's life with words is not about reciting empty affirmatives or magical phrases. It's about consciously shifting the words we routinely use, which can subsequently transform our mindset and reality. First, it's crucial to identify the negative patterns in our speech. These are often not blatant, subtle phrases like "I can't" or "I'm not good enough" can deeply ingrain themselves in our psyche, fostering a mindset of limitation and doubt. By catching these phrases and understanding their frequency and context, we can start to dismantle their power over us. The next step is deliberate change, replacing negative speech patterns with positive alternatives. This doesn't mean ignoring reality, but reframing our perspective of it through language. For instance, shifting from "I can't handle this" to "I will find a way" not only alters the words, but reprograms the mind to approach situations with determination and possibility rather than defeat. With a foundation of positive speech, we can begin to use words not just to alter our current state, but to manifest the future we desire. Manifestation through language is about setting intentions clearly and powerfully through our words. It's a focused effort to use language that aligns with the outcomes we want to attract into our lives. This concept taps into the idea that our consistent thoughts and words can shape our experiences and interactions. For example, starting the day by affirming, "Today, I am brimming with energy and open to new opportunities," sets a tone and a clear intention. This practice not only impacts the subconscious mind, encouraging it to recognize and pursue opportunities, but also primes us to act in ways that align with these affirmations. Affirmations are powerful because they help to maintain an optimistic state of mind and overcome the negativity bias of the brain, a tendency to pay more attention to negative experiences than positive ones. By affirming our capabilities and our intentions, we reinforce the neural pathways that support positive thinking and resilience, making it easier to navigate challenges and remain focused on our goals. Having understood how words can transform our inner self and manifest our desires is essential to explore their impact on our external connections, specifically relationships. The words we choose in our interactions with others can build bridges or walls. They can nurture relationships or strain them, depending on how we use them. Effective communication in relationships hinges on the choice of words that express respect, empathy, and understanding. When we communicate, it's not just about conveying information, but also about expressing feelings and building mutual understanding. Using words that reflect consideration for another person's feelings can greatly enhance our interpersonal dynamics. Words like "I understand," "I appreciate," or "I respect" are simple yet powerful tools that can help strengthen bonds by showing acknowledgement and regard for others' perspectives. In contrast, harsher, thoughtless words can easily undermine trust and affection. Therefore, being mindful of not just what we say, but how we say it plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy relationships. This awareness helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts, promoting a more harmonious interaction with family, friends, and colleagues. While we manage our words in external interactions, it's equally important to address the internal conversations we have with ourselves. A negative self-talk can be one of the greatest barriers to personal happiness and success. These internal dialogues often go unchecked, but can shape our self-esteem and outlook on life as powerfully as any words spoken aloud. To overcome negative self-talk, the first step is awareness, recognizing when and how we fall into patterns of self-criticism or doubt. Once we're aware, we can challenge these automatic thoughts and replace them with more positive, supportive dialogues. For instance, shifting from a mindset of "I always mess things up" to "I can learn from my mistakes" can significantly alter our self-perception and encourage a growth mindset. This practice doesn't involve ignoring our faults, but rather changing the tone of how we address ourselves. It's about treating ourselves with the same kindness and encouragement that we would offer a good friend. By nurturing positive self-talk, we enhance our resilience and are better equipped to handle life's challenges with confidence and poise. Building on the insight that words influence our mental state and relationships, it's crucial to explore their impact on our overall health. Language does not only affect our psychological well-being, but also has tangible effects on our physical health. Speaking and thinking positively can help manage stress, reduce anxiety, and strengthen our immune system. As research has demonstrated that positive words and thoughts can contribute to a reduction in stress-related hormones. When we use words that carry positive emotions, our body often responds by lowering cortisol levels, which is known for its harmful effects when present in high amounts over extended periods. Additionally, engaging in positive dialogues can increase the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with feelings of happiness and well-being. Thus, cultivating a habit of positive speaking and thinking can be a powerful strategy for improving health. It's about more than feeling good mentally. It's about initiating a cascade of biological responses that contribute to physical health. This awareness encourages us to choose our words carefully, knowing they have the power to influence not just our emotions, but our bodily health as well. Our journey continues as we look at how words can be directly linked to achieving success. Setting and reaching goals can be significantly influenced by the language we use. Clear, positive, and specific language can clarify our intentions and reinforce our motivation, making it more likely that we will achieve what we set out to do. For instance, when setting goals, using assertive and precise language can make a difference. Saying, "I will complete my project by the end of this month," provides a clear, measurable, and time-bound goal that not only states what you aim to accomplish, but also sets a definitive timeline for its completion. This clarity helps to focus efforts and resources, making the goal more achievable. The regular practice of revisiting and verbalizing goals helps keep them in focus and allows for adjustments as needed. This ongoing dialogue about what we aim to achieve and how we plan to do it creates a feedback loop that reinforces our path to success. It's a practical approach that continually aligns our words with our actions, reinforcing our commitment and the likelihood of achieving our objectives. After recognizing the profound impact that language has on our health and success, it becomes essential to maintain a practice that continues to harness the transformative power of words. Establishing a habit of using mindful and positive language is not a one-time event, but a continuous process that requires attention and intention. To sustain a transformational language practice, it is helpful to regularly evaluate the words we use and the tone we adopt. This can be done through daily reflections, which could involve journaling or mental reviews of conversations and self-talk throughout the day. Such reflections help us become aware of when our language aligns with our desired state of being and when it does not, allowing for timely adjustments. Additionally, setting aside time for language meditation can be beneficial. This involves focusing on specific affirmations or positive phrases that reinforce our goals and values. Practicing this regularly not only embeds these positive phrases more deeply into our subconscious, but also makes them more likely to come to mind in everyday situations. We've journeyed together through the profound ways in which our words can sculpt our reality, from enhancing personal and professional relationships to boosting our overall health and achieving our goals. Remember, the language you choose is a reflection of your inner world and has the power to shape your external reality. I encourage you to take these insights and apply them each day. Notice the transformation as you shift your speech towards more positive and empowering expressions. Let your words be the architects of a brighter, more successful future for yourself and those around you. If you found value in this discussion and wish to continue exploring ways to transform your life, please like this video, share it with friends or anyone who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and let's keep building a positive and empowering space together.